So we have to check the quantity of the function at 0 comma 0 if f of 0 comma 0 is equal to 0. So it's very simple. So we all know that fx comma y is equal to x square plus y square, since it is given in the question, and we are given f of 0 comma 0 is equal to 0. So we all know that for the quantity of a function at a given point, it should follow three conditions. The first one, that f of x naught comma y naught should exist, and limit as x comma y tends towards x naught comma y naught fx comma y, it should exist, and limit as x comma y tends towards x naught comma y naught fxy, it should be equal to fx naught comma y naught. Okay, and if the third condition is not satisfied, then it is known as removable discontinuity. Okay, so let's see this one. So we know that f of 0 comma 0 exists, so this is satisfied. Now we need to check the second condition. So how we can check that? Now it's a continuity in case of several variables. So what we do is that in this we find multiple paths and we check for the convergence value, that at what value that limit is converging. If the values are same for all the path, then we know that that limit exists. So it means that this condition will be satisfied, and then we have to check for the third condition. But if we get any two paths which give different answers, then in that case we say that the limit does not exist. So now let's assume path 1 as y is equal to x, right? So it will become limit as x tends towards 0 of the quantity x to the power 4 divided by x cube plus x cube. So it will be equal to 2x cube, so it will be equal to 0, right? Now why I did not use x comma y? Because now y is a dependent variable and x is an independent variable. So over here we'll be having an independent variable, right? Okay. So after bit of analysis, you will come up with a function y is equal to negative x e raised to the power x, which will give a different answer. And of course there can be multiple other functions which you can check for this limit, and you will end up getting 0 as the answer. So I don't think so that I should discuss them all, because it would like the Floxinosin-Hilipilification of time. So let me discuss this function. So limit as x tends towards 0, just substitute this function. So you will be getting negative x to the power 4 e to the power x 2x divided by the quantity x cube minus x cube e to the power 3x, correct? Now just use the Taylor expansion of e to the power x. You will end up getting this limit as x tends towards 0 negative x. Now we'll be having this expression 1 plus 2x 1 factorial divided by 1 factorial plus 4x square divided by 2 factorial, and so on and so forth, right? Divided by the expression 1 minus 1, so it will become 3x divided by 1 factorial plus 3x whole square divided by 2 factorial, and so on and so forth, right? Now this x and this will get cancelled, right? So it will be 9x square, so 9x, and so on and so forth, right? Now when you substitute 0, you will be getting answer as negative 1 by 3, correct? Now of course the limit through this path is 0 and limit through this path is negative 1 by 3, so the limit does not exist, hence the function cannot be continuous. So this has failed.